Delete Facebook group? Why? There are a lot of members in your group, such as multiple admins, moderators, and many other people who are engaged on rendering or growing up your groups to a higher level. So why would you delete your Facebook groups? That's why Facebook don't give you any direct options to delete your Facebook groups. That means Facebook discourages you to delete any Facebook group. Remember, Facebook group can only be deleted if it has 0 or some few members in your group, and it will be permanently deleted and there will be no other alternative way to reverse it. So what will you do? Of course you have multiple options, multiple alternative options at your hand. Option number 1, suppose you have a group existing a lot of members in your groups, and you are not willing to continue your group activities in this group, so just give admin privileges to any members of your group and leave the group. It will be a solution to you. Option 2, suppose your group has a lot of members and it is very difficult to remove every group members from your group manually. So in this case you can archive your Facebook group. When a group is archived, it won't appear in search result to non-members of the group. No new members can join the group. Even the existing members will not be able to post comments, add photos or videos to your group if you are the creator admin of this group. That means archiving a group is just like you are sending the group to the ICU for some certain operations, and you can reverse it if you wish. So to do archive your group, at first go to your group and then click on dot marks or more options at the right side, and click on archive group from the sub menu. Option number 3, suppose your group, your Facebook group has 0 members or some few members. In this case you can delete it if you wish, but remember it will be permanently deleted and in no way you can reverse it. So let's have a look how to do it. Welcome everybody to my main tutorial channel, TechYouTube. Today I am gonna teach you a very interesting things. Today I will discuss on how to delete your Facebook group from your Facebook account. So for this, at first you have to open your browser and go to your Facebook account. After going to your Facebook account, select your Facebook group which you want to delete. So I select this group to delete this group. Here is group that I want to delete, and then what I have to do is that now I will have to select the member option from the left sidebar, and then you will see that you are the main administrator here, Muhammad Guljar Ali. I am the administrator of the page. So if you want to delete the page, so if you want to delete the group page from your Facebook account, you must be the administrator of the group. So what you will have to do now is that here is a member list of your group, and you have to delete manually the group member or remove the members from your group. So remove every member manually from the group. Yeah, here is the option, remove from the group, confirm. Remove from the group and confirm. There is not any other alternative way to remove all the members of the group at once, so you have to do it manually. See, I have deleted or removed all the members of the group. So here is the administrator, Muhammad Guljar Hussain. I am the administrator of the group. So at last, what I will have to do is that click the three dot options and leave the group options. So here you will see a message. Are you sure you want to leave the friends who like Jibon Gori Projukti Sure, since you are the last member and leaving now will also delete this group? So At last click the leave and delete options. Now done, you have successfully deleted the group. See here, there is not any group here. So thanks everybody to watch my video, and see you again in the on my next tutorial. Bye bye.